That powerful storm that Tyler alluded to, it killed 2 in southwest Mississippi Saturday, is also responsible for heavy rain over the state, causing flash flooding and some evacuations. WREG's Mike Suriani reports tonight from Coahoma County, where people in Lula are drying out from a record rainfall.
It was all over. You couldn't see none of this. You couldn't see no road at all.
Lula, Mississippi Mayor Robert Monroe thankful no one was injured in this Coahoma County town of 250 following Saturday evening's torrential rainfall.
No, I mean, it was coming down. It seemed like we got about 5 inches. Water was all over the road. It was everywhere going into the house.
Mayor Monroe says he's never seen anything like it before.
Oh, the town was locked in. All the ditches was flooded.
Drone images on the Coahoma County Sheriff's Facebook page show how rainwater overflowing from neighboring farm fields also threatened the town.
People couldn't even go past unless you had a 4-wheel drive or something.
Some homes did receive water damage, but there were no evacuations.
It's almost like you needed a boat to get around. It was bad.
Diane Harris is an older woman in Lula. She snapped pictures of some of the floodwater around her house.
Everything was just floating in the yard because I have so much stuff in my car shed, and everything in there was just floating on top of the water.
But it got much worse for Harris after floodwater drowned out the pilot light on her floor furnace, leaving her in the cold.
Woke up and looked down there and saw the water. I'm like, there was a lot of water because it was still under the house, and it's came up into the heater.
Still some yards here a long way from drying out, but thankfully there was no loss of electricity here. The mayor is still trying to determine how much damage has been done to Lula's infrastructure. For your news leader in Coahoma County, Mike Suriani, WREG News Channel 3.